Hello buyers! If you are thinking about buying a home, let us talk about something that can feel overwhelming, but it's actually super manageable. Your credit score. I know credit score can seem intimidating. The truth is you do not need to have a perfect score to buy a home, but that's actually a myth. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. According to Fannie Mae, only 32% of the potential buyers really know what lenders are looking for in terms of credit score. That means the majority of the people overestimate the minimum credit score needed to purchase a home. Let us break this down. First of all, what is a credit score? Simply put, a credit score is a 3-digit number that shows how reliable you are at paying back money you borrow. It's based on your credit history, like how often you pay bills on time and how much debt you have. Lenders use it to decide if they will give you a loan and on what terms. Typically, a higher score means you are seen as less risky to lenders. So, if you have been waiting to buy because you think your score is not high enough, here is the truth. Lenders don't require perfection. In fact, the minimum credit score required can vary depending on the type of loan you are applying for. That means even if your credit score is not where you want it to be, you might still qualify for a loan. That's a great news. But if you want to boost your credit score for better terms, here are 3 simple steps you can take to improve your credit. First of all, pay your bills on time. This is huge. Whether it is your credit card or utilities, paying your bills on time is one of the fastest ways to show lenders you are responsible. You also want to pay down outstanding debt. Take a look at your current balances and work on reducing them. More importantly, hold off on applying for new credit. I know it is tempting to open a new credit card or two, but trust me, focus on improving the accounts you already have instead. If you are unsure where to stand, the best thing you can do is talk to a trusted professional to explore your options. If you are ready to take that next step, I would love to help you to guide you through the process. Whether you are buying your first home or your next home, I am here to make the journey as smooth and stress-free as possible. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, helping buyers, sellers and investors with integrity and excellence. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and wishing you an amazing day.